I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tamarind margarita. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 2 ounces of your favorite tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, and 3/4 of an ounce of tamarind puree. Don't forget a bit of simple syrup for that perfect balance of sweet and sour. Make sure you have plenty of ice, a shaker, and your serving glass ready to go. Now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix. Pour the 2 ounces of tequila, 1 ounce of fresh lime juice, 3/4 of an ounce of tamarind puree, and your desired amount of simple syrup into your cocktail shaker. Fill the shaker about 2/3 full with ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. This ensures everything is perfectly chilled and blended. For that extra touch, prepare your glass by rimming it. You can use a simple salt rim, or for a spicy kick, mix salt with a bit of chili powder. Once your glass is ready, strain the perfectly chilled margarita mixture into it over fresh ice. A lime wheel or a small tamarind pod makes for a beautiful and inviting garnish. Now, your delicious tamarind margarita is ready to be enjoyed. Here are a few tips to perfect your tamarind margarita. Feel free to adjust the simple syrup to your taste. Some prefer it sweeter, others more tart. You can also experiment with different types of tequila, like a crisp blanco or a smoother reposado, to find your favorite profile. For more great deals and to check out the amazing Darn Tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and cheers to your homemade cocktail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.